Hello everyone and welcome back to this course on Node.js. In this section, we are going to learn about NPM. So what is NPM? Well, NPM is really two things. Firstly, it is the world's largest software library. Second, it is a software package manager. Let's understand more about these 2 points. First, NPM is a software library. If you think about a book library, it contains books written by various authors. Similarly, NPM is a library or a registry which contains code packages written by various developers. It is a large public database of JavaScript code that developers from all over the world can use to share and borrow code. If you author a code package, as we call it, you can publish it to the NPM registry for others to use. On the other hand, if you come across a code package that is authored by someone else and solves the problem you have at hand, you can borrow that code without having to reinvent the wheel. You can visit npmjs.com where you can search for package in the registry. It is truly the world's largest software library. Let's move on to the second point. NPM is a software package manager. A minute ago, we learned that developers publish and consume packages, but there is a lot to consider when building a system around that. How does a developer consume a package from the registry? How does a developer publish a package? How does a developer consume a package? What happens if the code package author decides to change a function name in the package? How would one update an already installed package? What if the package I am consuming is dependent on another package? As you can see, managing packages in a project is not as simple as it sounds. This is where NPM as a package manager comes to rescue. We have access to the command line interface tools that lets us install and manage packages in a project. We will learn more about the command line interfaces tools in the upcoming videos, but hopefully what is NPM is now clear to you. What you should know is that similar to NPM, there are other package managers. Examples are PNP and Yarn. NPM, though, is the default package manager for Node.js. When you install Node.js, it is pre-installed with the Node.js. To verify, you can write the command npm -v, hit enter. You should see the version of npm installed on your machine. As you can see, there is no need for a separate installation. It is bundled with Node.js. Finally, you should know that npm did stand for Node Package Manager when it first started out. However, as time progressed, NPM evolved and is now a package manager for the JavaScript programming language. It does not necessarily stand for Node Package Manager anymore. In fact, NPM, as you can see, is all in lowercase. Now, why do we need to learn about NPM? I have already hinted towards the answer when describing what is Node.js, but let me put it in simple words. When building enterprise scale applications, we often need to rely on code written by other developers. This is where we need NPM. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.